Hey, good morning guys, Lenny Reed, Dynomite Diesel Products. I got two nozzles here. Both of them have the same flow rate. Now, thing to remember with diesel injection is it's quantity burned that generates horsepower. Not smoke out the tailpipe, but quantity burned that generates horsepower. The smaller the spray orifice, the better the atomization, the smaller the droplet size, and the better burn you're gonna get, the more complete combustion you're gonna get. So what's cool about these two nozzles right here is they're both P570s. They both have 5 holes, same spray angle, same needle valve, same sack. One of them is 21 thousandths of an inch in diameter, which I measured here, and it was really difficult because this is really old school EDM technology, not something that is definitely not stuff we're doing. And then the other one is one that we did here, and same flow rate with some extrude hone and K factor added to it, but it's only 16.7 thousandths. So we went from 21 thousandths down to 16.7 thousandths, and we're getting the same flow rate. The smaller one's gonna make more power because the droplet size is gonna be smaller, and it's gonna make more power because you're burning more quantity. So I'm gonna show you some pictures real quick of what it is that we look at when we're checking this stuff out. And I just want to clarify, like, it's not always about hole size. Oftentimes you guys have bought stuff that's way too big already, and you're never going to get it to run right because you can't get it to burn correctly. So here we go. We're going to go through and show you some stuff. Okay, so this is going to be a picture of a nozzle that's currently sitting at 20 thousandths and 9/10, call it 21 thou. And what we've got is where they came across, I'm going to rotate that up. So at 12 o'clock position now, the 6 o'clock, what happened is when they ran through the nozzle with the tungsten or whatever piece of wire they had, they crossed over, they tagged it. That tag mark is gonna be where it starts to fracture and starts to crack. Now again, these are a 21 thou hole, and they're done with horrible machine work, but in tractor pull land where they look at smoke as an indicator of performance, those would be something that people paid a lot of money for. Now, today, using our EDM technology and some extrude hone, we've got a 16 thou, 7/10, are what those hole diameters are in the exact same sack, same diameter sack, with some K factor. It's the same flow rate, but it will make more power because the hole is smaller. And depending on your pressure, you're always gonna get a better atomized fuel from a smaller hole. So it's super simple. Doesn't have to be any harder than that. I hope this helps you guys out just a little bit. Trying to clear up some of the smoke and mirrors and some of the stuff that's been done for a very long time. Really want to give you guys good information and let you learn some stuff along the way. All right, Lenny Reed, Dynomite Diesel Products, we're out.